Here's how to use GearUP Booster on mobile in just 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this easy step-by-step guide how you can set it up quickly to improve connection stability and reduce lag while playing on your phone, even if you've never used the Booster app before. Start by downloading GearUP Booster from your app store and opening it once installation is complete. When the app launches, allow the permissions it asks for so it can manage network activity. These permissions help the app connect your device to more stable routes while you play. Next, sign in or continue as a guest if the option appears. After entering the main screen, browse the list of supported games. Choose the game you want to optimize and tap it. The app will prepare a connection route designed to reduce delays and interruptions. After selecting the game, tap the Boost or Start button. The app will begin optimizing your connection. This process usually takes only a few seconds. Once it finishes, the game will launch directly from the booster so the improved connection stays active while you play. Inside the app, you can also choose different server routes if available. If one option feels slow, switching to another route can improve performance. This gives you more control over how your connection behaves during gameplay. Keep the booster running while playing. Closing it may stop the optimization and return your connection to normal. When you're done gaming, you can exit the booster or close it from your recent apps. If performance does not improve right away, check your internet connection first. A strong signal helps the booster work more effectively. Restarting the app or selecting another route can also make a difference. Using GearUP Booster on mobile is mainly about installing the app, selecting your game, starting the boost, and letting it manage the connection while you play. Once set up, it runs in the background and helps keep gameplay smoother, more stable, and less interrupted.